Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. We're at the Rio Las Vegas and let's take a wander in and take a look at some of the renovations. And it is a little bit on the loud side here. I apologize if you guys can't hear me with any of the commentary. There may also be some copyrighted music, but this is all brand new. This is all boarded up last time I was here. They're working on the other side of the check-in counters here, but this bar area in the center here is all brand new. And they have the express check-in, check-out, but they haven't got the key machines hooked up. So really all you can do here is check out. Hopefully they get that going eventually. But anyway, here's the main check-in area. There's also a check-in area for VIP or Hyatt Globalist. I'll show you that on the walk. We'll take a look at the rooms a little bit later. And have a look at the updated Globalist breakfast menu, which is a reduced menu from what they offered earlier. And I'll point out some of the things, anything that I noticed that's new along the way. One other thing I noticed is they were doing some work on the Wi-Fi last time I was here. And there was a period of time there was basically no login portal to get on the Wi-Fi, so you pretty much had unlimited speeds, which was fantastic. But the Wi-Fi login portal is back, and the speeds have slowed right down. So just be aware of that. I'll have a speed test at the end of the video, but the speeds are down around 15 megabits a second. So just if you need a higher connection to do some work or anything while you're here, or uploading video like I'm doing with these YouTube videos, just be aware that's a little bit slower. So this is all new here. So the carpet's new all the way through here. I'm not sure if they've done anything with the ceilings. I think these machines are all new. They are like, I'm about 6 feet tall, and all these machines are, a lot of them are taller than me. Have the big screens on them. So this is sort of the food court area. And I think it's mostly the same, but the carpet kind of goes through the hall here. And I think they might still be doing some work here, because you can kind of see some of the ceiling tiles are out. So do a quick little walk around the food court area. That down there leads to a hallway, which you can take out to the parking garage. Canteen, some of the restaurants. It is getting close to 11 o'clock at night here, so these, I imagine these are probably all closed up. Canteen food hall. And the Tender Crush might be open. So straight ahead to the right was where the check-in area is. Let's take a wander through here. So these are, I think the chairs, everything's all new in here. And I'm not sure if they're finished with the lobby area. They might be still doing some work, but I gotta say, it's like night and day difference compared to what it was before. Especially without the construction. Let's kind of wander over back here. Stay tuned if you want to see a tour of the latest room I have here with a view of the strip. And we'll also take a look at the breakfast. But I figured I'd give you guys a full tour of the new renovated lobby. This whole section is completely brand new with the ceiling lights and everything. And then this is all new as well. This restaurant here, Tavern and Grill. And we got the new Starbucks over here. Kane's Kitchen on the right, and then the elevators. There's the Starbucks again, the elevators. The gift shop is here. I think while they're renovating to the left. One set of the elevators they're doing some renovations on those on the right, but the Imara Tower is straight ahead. All right, let's check out the room. This is room 1713. at the Rio, Las Vegas. And this is in the renovated tower, one king room with a view. I'm trying to remember from my previous trip here. I think there's 18 floors. So this is definitely one of the upper floors. Let's just do a quick walk through, take a look at things a little bit more detail here. All right, let's have a look. So we got the larger TVs, which I like, and Chromecast. Works pretty good from the last trip. Nice coach seating area here, and some of the rooms have that table with the high chairs on it, which is kind of nice. Another area to possibly work or what have you. And then we've got a fridge here, which is pretty rare in Vegas, actually. It's got a telephone. And I'm trying to remember. Okay, yeah, that's right. That was just some shelves. And then the fridge. And I don't know if it's really a fridge, but yeah, I remember this from last time. Only half of it is working. Yeah, this is the half that works. So I'm not sure if that's more of a cooler or if it's a fridge. I just came from a brand new Delta hotel. And there was a sign basically saying the fridge is more of a cooler than a fridge. Probably for energy efficiency reasons. And we've got the large king bed here. There's a seating area here. Got some power, USB. Both USB-C and A, which is always nice to have in a hotel. And we've got the same thing on these lamps. We'll see how long those hold up. And, everything's got USB-A and C in here. It's all been updated, which is kind of nice. And then here's the heat pump in the corner with the thermostat. And then we've got the safe here. Oh, it looks like you get two safes. I bet you one of them is not working. Got some drawers there. It looks like we're starting to see a little bit of signs of wear already. Got the ironing board. Got the hairdryer. And I think that's a different bathroom amenity. That's the same soap. I remember that. The lotion. And then there's a light switch. There we go. Got another sink in here. Got some more towels. And then the shower's over here. All right, I think that's everything for the room tour. We'll continue on. This is the white omelet. The fruit bowl, coffee, and orange juice. And I decided to give the breakfast sandwich a try today. Let's take a peek inside. So we got some bacon, cheese, and an egg. Actually, this looks really good. Glad I ordered it. Got a latte with almond milk, a little bit of orange juice left. Let's take a look at the nighttime view, and then we'll, take a look at the daytime view. Windows could use a little bit of a cleaning. I think it was the same situation last time I was here, but I'm sure that will probably get addressed once they're finished all the renovations. And if I zoom in, you can kind of see the other end of the strip here. can see a little bit of the sphere right and left to the wheel there. And this is the daytime view from the room. You can kind of see the windows could use a bit of a cleaning. Pool is closed for the season. And there's some kind of a go-kart racetrack in the parking lot over there.